friends, welcome to Prisara. So in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful peacock design. So same as the motif which is there in the sari. So same thing we have replicated in the blouse. So for the border and for the neck design we have used rice beads and we have given thick bead work with sequence work. So I'm first loading the beads and chunky in the needle, and now I'm doing the work. So 2 sugar beads and 1 chunky. So same way I'm going to complete for the all the zigzag, the gaps in between the zigzag. So for zigzag I have used the rice beads, the golden rice beads. So to purchase all these materials you can also visit our website prisara.com. Check the description and you will get all the details. So all the materials are available in the website at the wholesale prices. You can purchase the materials. And the blue color, the peacock greenish blue is the sari color. It's a double shaded very beautiful sari. So we have used the same color thread and the same motif which is in the sari. We have replicated the design for the sleeves. In center of the sleeve motif we have done the peacock design, and for the neck we have done the same border design. So here you can see the border is plain. In the previous videos I have told you, when there is a border always highlight the border, whatever the design is there in the fabric inbuilt, so same design you need to highlight. But here in this case you can see there is a border but still it's a plain border. So you can try to do any designs on top of this border, but this client, the budget is low, and also the client requested that she doesn't want any grand design, just highlight the borders, the edges of the borders and the peacock motif in the center of the sleeve. The same whatever we are doing in the border design here in the sleeve, the same thing she wanted around the neck. Very simple and neat design she wanted, and then again budget friendly. And she wanted a lot of thread work in the peacock motif. So you can see we have used a lot of thread work, especially when there is a contrast color in the sari, then we can use the sari colors. So this, the bluish green, the peacock green is the sari color. It's a very beautiful double shaded sari, and we have used the same color thread, and we have completed the peacock motif. We have used a lot of chain stitches, knot work, and knot work with chunky. So all the stitches we have used and covered this design. So if you're looking to customize your blouses, if you're going to be a bride and looking to customize your blouses budget friendly, or any designs from the internet, you can give us any reference picture and we'll customize the same, or according to the sari we will also customize the design according to your budget. So starting price is just rupees 550, and even if you are booking single blouse it's going to be wholesale prices because we are own manufacturers. We also customize for a lot of boutiques and tailor shops worldwide. So if you have a shop, you're a boutique owner looking for a good embroidery manufacturer, then you can contact us. If you're in Bangalore, you can directly visit our store and place your orders, or if you're watching from any other places, you can still courier your fabrics and we will get the work done. And if you wanted even stitching, we also have the stitching service. You can give us your measurements or your measurement blouse and we will stitch it and deliver it to you. And if you're looking to learn this art, the Ari and Magam embroidery work, you can contact us. We have the complete A to Z Ari embroidery course where we cover from the basic to advanced. All the stitches and techniques will be covered. Each and every stitches we will cover it in activity based learning. We have covered it in that way so that it is interesting for you to learn. Also you will know where to apply the stitches and how to apply the stitches. All the techniques and tips will be covered in this course completely, and the complete business training also is covered in this course. If you do not want to learn the complete course, or if you are not sure how I'll be able to cope up for this course, then we have released the summer special offer course, the crash course, the quick course, which is just for a week. You can easily learn all the basic techniques along with the bead work, the chunky work, and you can start creating your own blouses designs and your kurti designs. So just learning the quick course, you should not have any doubt, will I be able to do a blouse? Definitely you can create your own blouses. We have covered the measurement marking, how to measure from your measurement blouse and how to do the marking, and everything is covered in this course. Along with this, we have given the summer course offer. The worth rupees 999 of material kit will be given free home delivery for you within India, and also the latest trending net embroidery techniques are also covered in this course. So it's available in 3 languages, English, Tamil and Kannada, and whichever language is comfortable for you, you can enroll in this course. There are 60 plus recorded video section available in the course. So just check the syllabus and you will know how intensely we have formed the syllabus, and complete boutique training, how to start this business without an investment from home. Everything is covered in this course. and within a week you can learn this course and start designing your own outfits. So all the details are given in the description below. If you're interested to learn, purchase the course. It's a pre-recorded course, and you can directly, once you make the payment, all the videos will be accessible to you, and the materials will reach you within a week. And if you have any queries, you can contact the number on the screen and get your doubts clarified. And after enrolling the course, you have to watch the videos one by one and start practicing it, and share the pictures of whatever you have done through WhatsApp to get all your doubts and feedbacks. And next you can see this motif. We are using a lot of katana beads, the round beads. So all the materials are also available in the website. You can purchase it directly from the website at best price. For international shipping, check the details and then place the order, because all the countries we have not yet updated the shipping charges. So this is the motif which I was talking about, the sari. This is sari color. You can see how beautiful, it's a double shaded sari color, and the same sari color we have used for the motif, and the same motif whichever is in the sari, the same thing we have tried the replicated the design. So all the tracing techniques, whether you are good at drawing and you are not good at drawing, not a issue, and whether you know tailoring, do not know tailoring, still you can enroll for this course and complete our quick course. Or if you wanted to learn completely from A to Z, you can take out our complete course. For complete course, you have two other options as well. You have the direct course or the online live courses also available. So for any other details, you can contact the number on the screen. And to customize your blouses, you can again contact us. We have all the designs starting from just rupees 550. You can just send a hi message in WhatsApp and you will get the catalog link. You can check all our designs available in the catalog, not only the blouses, kurtis, gowns, lehengas, kids collections. So everything we customize. And if you are having a shop or a boutique abroad or within India, if you're planning to take a stock and bulk orders, you can still contact us. You will get a good manufacturing rate. And this is the final output of the blouse, and the tracing paper is available in the blog. The blog link is given in the description below. And the people who already know Ari embroidery and just wanted the tracing paper, you can download the picture from the blog and use this tracing paper and start doing the embroidery work. And all the tracing papers from simple designs to heavy designs are also available in our website. You can directly visit our website and purchase the tracing papers. It's a non-tearable, waterproof paper, and it's a original tracing paper with original measurements. You need not again resize or do anything. So once you purchase the paper, you can directly start using it. So all the details on how to purchase and how to use the paper, everything I have given in product description. You can check it out and purchase it. So this is the final picture, the final blouse. So you can see how beautiful it is. And if you're looking to join for the classes, or if you're looking to customize the blouses, all the details are given in the description below. Check it out, and thank you for watching.